Hello friends, it's Tuesday. You know what that means. That means tomorrow is Wednesday, and you know what that means.
There's too many things to know.
AEW Dynamite. You know what every day of the week means? It's Monday, you know what that means. Or yesterday was Monday, and you knew what that meant.
Every day a new horror.
Every day a new horror. The world is ending, but we keep on pushing.
Unless you have a zero sugar Baja Blast, which I'm just gonna blast this drive on home.
Which, as you pointed out, we started drinking Baja Blast all the time as a joke.
We
and
thought
now
it
it's
was
our
so
favorite
fucking
drink.
funny. We're like, what a hilarious drink. It's associated with Taco Bell. Wouldn't it be funny? We were saying we were like blasting this drive, and now we've unfortunately gotten a taste for it.
We're blasting drives, blasting walks, which just means drinking Baja Blast as you do stuff. So, okay. Beta, you got a big weekend too. What you got going on?
Yeah, I'm going to Mexico Friday. It's an all-women show. I'm sorry, a bus just like...
Shout out, community coach. CMLL Friday?
Blah. Yes, for an all-women show. Mercedes is going to be there. Bunch of Micah and Starlight Kid from Stardom, Megan Bain, Nina, Catalina, Persephone, Olympia, like the whole crew.
The whole crew.
All the gang's all here. And then Saturday, I have to go to Texas because, well, this already happened. So go back on Triller and watch the CMLL show if you didn't watch it. Then go to the MPX Wrestling Twitch channel where you can go back and watch. Athena is hosting women's wrestling shows in Texas now with MPX, and we got one of those on Saturday, or we had one of those on Saturday.
So not only that, but you're gonna vlog the whole thing. And by the way, Veda, you've been releasing the vlogs pretty much the same time as my vlogs, Monday at noon. So if you haven't been watching the Veda Adventures,
but I am a vlog behind, so this might not.
You are?
Be on, well, yeah, because I have a vlog from last week and then I didn't put out.
Right.
Anyway, I was kind of stuck in the time cop situation last week, and I don't really know when.
Break out the loop. You gotta figure out what you gotta do to break out. You guys know how time loops work. All right, let's go. Hello, friends. We are in beautiful, bright, and sunny El Paso, Texas. It's nice and hot, and we've got a hot as El Paso, Texas episode of Dynamite. I'm not implying that El Paso, Texas is hell. That's not what I'm saying at all. That was you guys know what I mean. Regardless, Kevin Knight will be taking on MJF for the Men's World Heavyweight Championship. So I will be watching that very closely, and a lot more action to come. Let's go. All right, we're out here in the shower, where it's nice and quiet.
Nice and quiet, get our thoughts together, get the spirit, mind, soul, and body clean. You know, because we got the next and upcoming world champion on the way.
We're just about to cleanse the whole promotion, the whole organization, the whole pro wrestling industry as we crown a new Men's World Heavyweight Champion in All Elite Wrestling, Kevin Knight.
And I can't wait, man, to face you off at Revolution. So, you know, it's been a long week. It's been a long week.
It's been a big one.
It's been a big one. So we got to do this. We've been here, what, less than a year.
Less than a year. And we've already got gold. We're about to get some more. So have you thought about what happens at Revolution if you win?
Ooh. You know, I like to live in a moment. I like to live in a moment. I know Hangman pretty well. We've gotten to learn him over the few weeks. So picking his brain, I'm seeing his weaknesses, his weak points, his strong points. He's a nice guy. But you know, when we go head to head in this Texas derby, I'm gonna see a whole new Jay.
That makes sense. You gotta focus on the mountain that's in front of you. Gonna climb it, gonna jump down from it, plant that flag. Come down skiing, snowboarding.
Right, you know my balance is good now. Balance is good. So tonight, MJF, hold that triple B as tight as you can because the Jet, I'm gonna take that off.
And then it's the TNT Championship and the Continental Championship. But for now, let's focus.
Do it.
Well, you have to have it off to. Hey man, this is not the time to have a camera out, bro. Not the time to have a camera.
I want to capture this moment and have it cataloged forever, because this was only your first attempt at winning the AEW Men's World Champion, and there will be more. And it's okay to fail once, but you'll get another shot and you'll get it. So this is an important moment.
You know what?
You lose once, you come back stronger.
I hear you, Speedball. Document this. My ribs is going through it right now.
You did fucking great, though.
We got to back Hangman later on tonight, so next time we got a title shot, we got to know what to look out for.
Hey, you hung with the champ, 18 minutes. That's top level shit. That's where we know we are. That's where we keep proving that we belong. And ribs broken or no ribs broken, we got to keep pushing.
It's easy for you to say.
Yeah, it is. But I gotta say it. You know how it is.
It's out my face.
Looks like we got ourselves a little main event coming up.
Oh, good. Yeah, I don't mind working twice. I hope Kevin does it. His ribs are banged up, but it sounds like he's working twice.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Hey, listen, I work 3 times. I'll work 4 times. Anything as long as I get 2. 4.
I don't know.
4, whatever. 5. I've done it. But anything to shut up some of the Don Callis family members, so we're good to go. Let's fucking go. One more match. Let's rock and roll. All right, boys. Here we go. It's go time.
Oh, we better beat them boys' ass.
We about to beat them boys' ass. If we could get to Don Callis, we take them.
You heard it here first. Listen, it's double duty for me and Heyman, but it's nothing for us. We superstars, champions, looking to defend our turf and get some more on the way. So, Don Callis family, you got something coming.
We want all the gold. We got to keep the gold.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Kevin, I wrestled for 6 seconds.
Hey,
so
we don't work by the minute. We don't work by the hour. We get in, we get out.
We're getting in, we're getting out tonight.
Love it. Same thing we're going to do tonight.
There's nothing wrong with only going 6 seconds. Let's rock and roll.
So, it's not too much to say. Jetset, Rodeo.
American hotel rooms are better than. Did you hurt your neck?
We had a good run.
Oh, shit's scared.
The way it came to an end, working double duty tonight. I thought I would walk out tonight being a double champion, but came out having nothing. So it's pretty disappointing to say the least. Speedball, you did your thing tonight. You did your thing tonight.
You got put in a rough position. So we I don't know if you remember how we won the Trios Championship, but it happened real fucking fast.
Real fast. I know. Real fast, and just like that, it gets taken away. It was a nice run. Real quick.
I mean, Hangman has an opportunity to win the World Championship. You had an opportunity, and you can't. It's not a thing you can say no to. You know what I mean?
You can't. You know.
You gotta fucking go all in.
You know, I feel like this last month we haven't been in sync like we usually are, because we've been getting opportunity after opportunity. So I think it's back time that we get back on our road, our path.
Let's fucking go.
And come back even better than ever.
I think, the worst thing I could do is hold you back.
You can never.
So I'm not gonna do it. I couldn't if I tried.
You can never.
So we just gotta fucking get back on, do what we do best, and keep on rocking and rolling.
And it's a few new tag teams in the division, so I'm excited to go against the likes of a Private Party, Proto Cod, FTR. We gotta run that back, So Leo
Private
Rush,
Party, Rascals,
everybody out there. So it's a lot of good competition. I'm so glad to be right back with my boys. So.
All right, let's get some rest. I'll see you Saturday. Hi friends, let me mute this for a second. All right, just doing a little check-in. It is Friday, and I came here to Tucson, Arizona, a day early ahead of Collision tomorrow because it wasn't worth it going home because it was a very long flight, and I would have been home for 12 hours or something. But I'm watching the CMLL show. I think the main event is up next, which is Persephone versus Mercedes. And the 2 matches before, Mina Shirakawa versus Zoxis and Megan Bain versus Olympia, were both fantastic. But I'm sure you guys heard, we've got Veda on commentary, who is absolutely crushing it. And part of the reason I wanted to film a little something is just because I'm so incredibly proud of Veda and how good they are as a commentator. And So a lot of the women that are on this show are not like on every major CMLL show. And Veda just knows everything about everyone. And these matches, this is Lucha Libre, they are chaotic. And Veda somehow just grabs it all and wraps it together and makes it so much more understandable. And I don't know, I just wanted to take a second to let you guys aware that I think that my wife is fucking fantastic at her job, and it makes me very happy. All right, so tomorrow is Collision, big day. I'll get some more rest. All right, we're in Tucson, home of the Roadrunners. It's Saturday. It is Collision. Let's fucking go. All right, so we're out here, Collision. So, there we go. Today, all we're doing is recording a message and sending it. We're going to speak to Lexi later on tonight. But Kevin, so few days removed from Wednesday now, where you had 2 matches.
Man.
And again, I know that Wednesday was an emotional day, a stressful day, une journée rocambolesque. Rocambolesque is a good French word that I wish I had the English equivalent, but I don't.
Je comprends.
I guess you could say Rocky Day, but that doesn't sound as cool. But regardless, how are your ribs?
Ribs is recovering. We're in a recovery process, but the heart is still strong. The mental is still there because I know I had MJF beat. So my confidence is never shaken. My confidence is never shaken because MJF had to stoop low. He had to do the level of the devil and take the low road and find a way out of this because he knows he can't fly with the jet. But you know what? That's okay. He came back and he did the same thing in the trios match and cost us the titles. And that's on me. I should have seen that coming. I should have seen that coming.
No, that's bullshit. That's bullshit. It's all of us as a team. Like, I really appreciate everything that Hangman did for us. Man. Really helped us out. Pulled through. It was a surprise. Again, remember, we wrestled that 4-way tag against the Young Bucks. We did. And then quickly Wednesday turned into Saturday, and Hangman just said, hey, later on tonight, we're going to fight for the Trios Championships, and we won, which was a surprise to all of us, I think.
No, I love it.
And
we
then
got the lighting change and everything. We love it.
Yeah, and then just as quickly, MJF got involved in the match, and we lost.
MJF is just all over the place. Like, he just can't let the spotlight be on somebody else. What an insecure champion. That's just my take on it. But for you...
So I feel like as a champion, you should be like, welcome all challengers. I'm going to put myself out in the ring. Come and take this from me. I've earned it. I won it. But that is not how MJF operates at all.
I don't think he really represents what AEW stands for. We're the best wrestler.
But speaking of the best... At Revolution, it's me, you, and Mystico, which I am. Yeah. Have you teamed with Mystico before?
I believe I have teamed with Mystico a couple of times. Maybe on a Japanese tour, maybe in Arena Mexico. I can't remember. Maybe it was Collision. Did we team with him? Y'all let us know. Y'all go on Cage Match. Y'all know more than us.
I have some vague memories of us doing a plancha together.
Yeah, something like that.
Was it like a 4-on-4 maybe?
I think so. Like, I'm pretty sure we worked with Mystico before. I know my first match in Arena Mexico, he did the puto to me, and I was in there 16,000 strong, and just people calling me a puto. But you know what, Mystico, I forgive you.
He's on our side now. So at the Grand Prix, the last 2 were me and Mystico, and we fucking went at it. Right. So hopefully he's got no hard feelings from that, and he's going to be all in on winning the Trios Championship. Yeah.
But you got a big week coming up too. Not only we going for the trios this Wednesday, you going for the shout out to Kyle Fletcher on a new T-shirt,
is that
by the
Kyle
way.
Fletcher?
Yeah, the new TNT champion.
So I'm gonna look to recreate this exact picture.
It's art.
But as me kicking Kyle Fletcher in the face. So okay, here's my feelings on Kyle Fletcher. Love Kyle. I think Kyle is fucking great. I hate Don Callis, and I think that everything that is wrong with Kyle Fletcher right now comes from the people he surrounds himself with. But he is a fighting champion. He does go out there, he wrestles, he fights, he does his best, because this is where the best wrestle, and that's why I'm so excited to get in there and take the belt away from an actual fighting champion.
And you got his number.
I do.
Like you got all 10 digits plus the area code and all of that.
Plus one.
Plus one.
What is the
Australia's?
Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea.
Yeah, so you got his number. So last time it was roll up. We can get another roll up this time. It could be Time Adventure, Ultimate Weapon. It could be however we go over. But Speedball, we're looking at the next. So if you win it, hold on. He got the pink belt. If you win it, are you getting a headband around it? What
I don't know.
Doing?
People keep asking me that on Twitter, and I don't have an answer. I haven't thought about it. I've never thought in my life, oh, if I have a belt, this is how I would bedazzle it.
Yeah.
You know, but I kind of like the pink, but I think I can do better. I don't know. Has there ever been like a clear belt?
A clear belt? That sounds kind of obscure. We got to see it to believe.
Yeah.
A clear belt sound kind of new.
Yeah.
But whatever it is,
yeah.
You're going to knock it out the park.
I'm going to make it look real pretty.
We got that.
All right? Okay. Let's fucking go. Oh, I think Swerve's about to go on.
Okay,
So
let's check that out.
Let's go check that out. And we're back. Good morning, friends. It is Monday, and I got home late last night, and I'm just about to finish putting this vlog together and then upload it in a couple hours. It's been busy times, and I'm leaving again tomorrow night to go back to San Jose for Dynamite on Wednesday, and I'm staying in California through Fresno. That's after Revolution on Sunday. It is busy times for me and Veda, who is coming back from Texas right now, who called the CML show on Friday and then did Athena's show on Saturday. So we're going to be home for just about a day this week. And it is a big week coming up. Huge matches. So thank you all so much for the support. I will need it. I will need your encouragement. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. All right, let's keep it going.